Yung what's up? What's up yung peace brother? Wala nang intro. Babu. God bless you lang. Kita mag-ingat palagi. Smile everyday. Good vibes lang. Yung what's up? Happy birthday, Mommy Babe with Kids. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. Maraming salamat pala sa mga biyaya at blessing na pinagkaloob mo sa amin. Ngayon monetize ka na. Malamang marami ka pang matutulungan ng mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. Dahil sa ngayon, isa ka ng ganap na charity vlogger. Muli, Mommy Babe with Kids, happy birthday sa iyo. I-enjoy mo ang buong araw ng iyong pagsilang. Gabayan ka ni God, bigyan ng lakas, sigla, at ang iyong buong pamilya at mga anak. Muli, happy birthday, Mommy Babe with Kids. Enjoy your birthday. What's up yung peace brother? Wala nang intro. Babu. God bless you. Lagi ba namin din palagi? Smile everyday. Good vibes lang. Yo, what's up? Happy birthday, Mommy Babe with Kids.
Oh, Mommy Babe with Kids. Happy birthday. We wish you a good health, happiness in your love life, your kids healthy, and your family. We love you so much. Happy birthday, and more birthdays to come. At syempre, marami ka pang matulungan ng mga tao kasi nga isa kang charity vlogger na tunay. Tsaka congrats din at na-monetize ka na. We love you so much. Love ya.
Hi Mommy Babs! Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. God bless sa buhay mo. Sa mga marami mo pang natutulungan at matutulungan pa. I really enjoy watching your live sa mga pinapayo mo. God bless sa family mo at sa iyo. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless. Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Beb, happy birthday sa inyo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And then, God bless po. More birthdays to come. Maraming salamat dahil napapasaya mo kami tuwing magla-live ka, kumakanta ka, tapos nababasa mo yung mga message namin. Thank you very much. At maraming salamat sa pa-Gcash mo sa amin. Malaking tulong yun. At kahit na maliit na bagay, natutulungan mo kami. Maraming salamat and happy birthday.
Hello guys, this is me, PWD Rams. Kamusta kayo? And today's video guys, gusto ko lang batiin ang magandang babae from Australia, si Mommy Babe with Kids. Mommy Babe, gusto ko lang sabihin na congratulations sa iyo sa iyong monetized channel. At guys, si Mommy Babe ay napakabuting tao yan. Marami na pong natulungan yan. At isa na rin po ako sa kanyang natulungan. Kaya Mommy Babe, thank you so much. At marami pang blessing, mga biyaya na dumating po sa iyo. Again, gusto ko lang batiin si Mommy Babe ng congratulations sa kanyang monetized channel. Tuloy lang at enjoy lang sa YT Mommy Babe. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. God bless you always.
Ready? Shake natin. Ready, set, go. Mega love, shout out everyone. Nandito ako ngayon para bumati ng happy birthday para kay Mommy Babe with Kids. Ayan, ito ang panahon namin ngayon dito. It's spring but it's still snowing. Ayan, pakita ko lang how beautiful it is. Kaso nga lang, kaninang umaga ang hirap papunta sa trabaho kasi madulas ang daan kasi sa dami ng snow. Ayan. Happy birthday Mommy Babe. Salamat sa thank you for the friendship. At nandyan ka na nagbibigay tulong sa mga nangangailangan. I just want to thank also dahil sa iyo we become closer sa mga anak ni Akiko ko kasi sa mga kanilang pa-bubble tea. Thank you sa pag-games mo, nakakatawa sa yung LS. Ayan. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, ayan, i-shake natin yung sanga para mag-ano yung snow. Lagay ko yung aking, yan. Ayan, ready na ako para i-shake ang sanga. Tignan natin, sana hindi pabasa yung phone ko. Oh, nag-i-snow na. Nag-i-snow na. Ayan, happy birthday, Mami Bev. May you have more blessings in return. Thank you for helping everyone sa ano. Thank you for sharing your blessings. Good luck sa iyong love life. And I know, sino ba naman ang ayaw sa forever, right? I hope mahanap po na si ko forever. I hope siya na si ko forever. Ayan. Happy birthday from City 8 of Canada. Bye-bye!
Today is a gift of life. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Bev. Your birthday is a reminder of the incredible impact you have on those around you. Here's to celebrating the generous, kind-hearted person you are. May your birthday be as heartwarming and beautiful as the love and compassion you bring into every life you touch. Good friends, good health, and good life ahead. These are the things I wish for you. Happy birthday once again, Mommy. I love you. God bless you always. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi everyone, this is Mommy Bev with Kids once again, and I would like to thank you all who always supported me, and especially to my viewers, Paul Denham, thank you, Trey Joyner, John Bailey, and Ellen W. Show, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And to Hannah's channel, thank you too. So to being supportive every time I'm on live, thank you so much. And to all of my friends and that who always support me through thick and thin, thank you. Beshi Laina, thank you because you've been there. You've been there through thick and thin. You're always there for me no matter what. Thank you so much. To my lalabs, thank you for being there for me and to love me, being sweet and being lovable to my kids. Ayan, thank you so much. And thank you because you've been part of my life, and hopefully we will be together for more years to come. And thank you so much. And to all the team lovebirds, thank you so much. To all the Shantik team, thank you. Team Paubaya, Team Jessica, and of course to Michelle Tugade and Sir Paul Donesa, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all because you are very supportive every time I have my live. And thank you so much. And of course, I would like to thank the one who gave me a blessing on the day of my birthday. Thank you so much. And the one who participated on the day of my birthday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. If not on you, my birthday won't be amazing and wonderful and fun. And thank you so much to everyone. And thank you to the one who make a time and effort to do the video greetings. Sir Louis Geronimo, Sis Marisa Geronimo, Ma'am Masha Rutor, Ma'am Joby Rodriguez, PWD Rams, Zed88 OLM, and of course, Aki Kuku, the founder of Team Lovebirds. Thank you so much, everyone. And to all the Team Lovebirds, ayan, thank you who always there to support me. Thank you so much. And I love you all. See you again soon. Ayan, thank you. Be safe, take care, and God bless. And be kind. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.